If you're running a newsletter or publication on Beehiiv, having the right people on your team can make a huge difference. Today, I'll show you exactly how to add team members to your Beehiiv workspace in just a few minutes. It's simple, it's quick, and by the end of this video, you'll know everything you need to start collaborating seamlessly. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and head over to the Beehiiv website. Make sure you're on the homepage, then click the Login button at the top right. If you already use Google to sign in, you can save time by selecting Sign in with Google. No passwords, no hassle. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard. From here, we're going to navigate to the settings. Depending on Beehiiv's current layout, this might appear in a sidebar, a menu bar, or a drop-down, so take a quick look around and open the settings section when you find it. Within settings, locate the area labeled Publication or General Settings. This section controls the overall configuration of your workspace. Inside, look for the option called Team. Go ahead and click it. This will bring you to a page showing your current team members. If you have any now, for the important part, click Invite New User. A small form will appear asking for the email address of the person you want to invite. Fill in their information, confirm the details, and send the invite. One thing to keep in mind, if you're on Beehiiv's free plan, there may be limits on how many team members you can add. If you plan to build a larger team, you may need to upgrade your subscription to access more seats. And that's it. You've just learned how to add team members to your Beehiiv account in just a few clicks. This simple step can streamline your workflow and make managing your publication a whole lot easier. If this tutorial helped you out, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more quick, clear guides just like this. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.